We should be live. We got 1 minute exactly into the market opens, baby. What's going on, Ben? I'm trying to figure out the same thing. There really isn't any news catalyst that might have sent AMC down. So I was kind of looking, but I guess it's just solely off technicals and price and emotion. I mean, ever since yesterday, we had that yesterday we had an ugly drop to midday. And what kind of told me that today's pre-market wasn't going to be the best was the fact that we closed near the lows here. I thought we were going to recover. It went up to 50, 51, and then it came back down. I was like, man, even after hours, we didn't see much action. What's going on, Destroyer? Edson? Let's see what happens at market open. This is the second time I believe we're at 47. I know we hit 47 a couple days ago last week, but let's see. Was this July 2nd? Yeah, about 5 days ago. All right, there, the market just opened. All right, take us up, AMC. Take us back to 50, man. There we go. Look at that rip. GameStop is still under 200, man. Morning, War God. Nathan. I'm curious. Look, there's some pressure here on this candle for sure. It might go red. There's no way. There's pressure here on AMC at market open. This is not usually the most bullish candle. Usually want this to close that around like 48.30. There we go. Some buying power coming back in. We got 20 more seconds on this candle. Let's see if it closes us above 48. We're waiting for that 48 close. Even GameStop is trying to push up to 200. We need the 200 close today for GameStop. Guys, we're only gonna stream for 30 minutes today because I have my class registration for fall in 30 minutes, and I do not want to be last dibs for teachers. Let's pull up Ortex. Is there some resistance at 48 or what? There's a small wall at 48. I don't think it'll stop it though. There we go. 48, 20, 37. There's that second candle on the way up. 48, 46. I want to see 50. We should see 50. Let's recover some of those gains we lost here pre-market. But the key for AMC has been holding support levels. That's something that's kind of been struggling with at $50. And there's that pressure again. So this is some pretty odd pressure. We're seeing some volatility for sure, though. I like that. Let's pull up Ortex really quick. AMC. So yesterday we were sitting at what? You guys remember? At 18.7% SI. Let's take a look. What are we at right now? 18.49. So around the same thing with an increase in 1.37%. Emrin, this stock was one yesterday that had hit 28 pre-market. That's actually pulling back under 28 again today. So we're seeing some of these other stocks also start to pull back. Let's see BlackBerry. Kind of still stuck there at 12. Clover. ALF. Wendy's. There we go. AMC back again above 48. Look at that rip. 48.90s. Take us to 50, baby. Look at that rip. Let's check Twitter. Hashtag anyone can sell is trending. What does that even mean? Suez Canal. No way, it's trending again. Oh, the ship that blocked the canal in March is finally moving after 100 plus days. Egypt says it lost up to $15 million in revenue each day the canal was closed. We'll pull up Tesla right now and see how SPY's doing. Another red day? No, it's green today actually. Guys, I think even Nasdaq was ripping at market open. This is nuts. Oh, now we're pulling back. So Apple was looking good pre-market, had hit a high, and now it's pulling back. Apple on the daily just makes me want to short the stock, but of course I think it'll hit a new high on the daily. The high is 145. We're not too far away. We're not too far away, but Nasdaq is dropping right now. I'm pretty sure Tesla's dropping too. Yep, 658. Amazon. Yeah, Amazon has been going nuts. Crazy gamma moves. Look at that. It hit a new 52-week high, all-time high. It's probably got squeezed too. That's what I'm afraid of shorting like stocks like Apple because I feel like I'll get squeezed if it keeps not going higher. AMC back down to 47.79. What's going on, Stacks a lot? We're here trying to see if AMC is gonna hold 47 levels since this is the second time we've seen 47. There's no news on this either. That's the worst part. DD drops 5% at open. What's in it? Third day this stock has been declining. Is anybody buying this up, taking the risk? Morning, Keith. This is the same thing we saw yesterday. These aggressive candles under the EMA on the 1 minute. Right around market open as well. So these are it right around here. These aggressive candles we saw right under EMA. I think it's the same exact pattern we're seeing here. Pretty interesting, huh? Hold 47, hold 47, hold 47. Don't crack 47. There's a massive bid there under 47. You guys see that? It flashed up. It was showing like 1600. Forgot at what price. There it is, 1400 at 70. There's support at 70. Right at the low of the day. Don't you feel sad, stupid, that as soon as you sold your AMC shares, left the squeeze community and started to day trade the stock, you lost your trust of AMC and views? I already knew that beforehand. If I was unethical and I was like if I was just money hungry and for views, I would have just been lying to everybody and would have sold behind your guys' back. Like I'm pretty sure some people on YouTube don't hold any more AMC. I'm pretty sure of that. They don't hold any more AMC and now they're just lying to everybody. But I'm the one that's real here and the one that's been transparent the whole time. The whole time. And I don't feel stupid. I made money on AMC. Everyone's a genius in hindsight. People judge your decisions not based off if it was a sound decision at the time. They base it off if it was a good or bad decision just by looking at what happened with AMC. Oh, it went up to 46. Oh, that's a stupid move. But at the time, it was an amazing and smart move. That discipline is gonna save my ass in another stock in the future. I promise you that. Some of these stocks won't run like AMC, and you'll be stuck holding a fat bag. So now we're still pulling back. 46.22. There's still no news on this. This is just plain out people just panicking and stop losses going off. Let's see the 5 minute EMA. What are we looking at right here? 45.61. SMA. No, on the daily we're still under. We're kind of falling off a cliff here on the daily. So this is a point where we just have to play support. Where are we gonna find support? I don't know. It wasn't 50. 45. The half dollar. GameStop is really just slow. Under 200 still. Even if they do hold any losses, we recover all the money they made with super chats. Exactly. It's all super chat, YouTube ad revenue. You guys don't understand. The money was mind blowing too. I'm not gonna lie. It's just surprising how you can make money with just making videos and just people watching your videos, right? It's mind blowing. It's like, damn, people can really do this, but you have to keep in mind the incentives a lot of these people have. These guys can take losses on stocks. They'll just make it back with the ad revenue and the Patreons and the merchandise and some people can't. Some people are fully invested with money they can't lose on a stock like AMC. That's very stupid if you ask me. Do I think this squeeze will still happen? Aren't I stupid? Didn't you just call me stupid and an idiot? Let's get rid of these trolls. Oh man, I accidentally timed them out. I wanted to ban them. Let me see. So there's that bounce 46. They're looking for that confirmation bias. 190 GameStop. So the next support level, I'm not gonna lie, for GameStop that we're looking at, guys, is that previous resistance here at 180. I wouldn't be too surprised if GameStop falls another 10 bucks to 180. I just don't like you seeing under 200. AMC looks like it's finally holding after this pretty ugly drop here at 46. Yeah, GameStop's getting kind of hard, but so is AMC. Even Tesla's pulling back. Is it gonna be a bloody day today? This hasn't updated for sure. Another low. This just sucks because this had such a bullish technical pattern going on here. It's like it was really, really bullish technically, and with the volume like this high, and for it to just be pulling back like this and volume dropping, it's just like it did a complete 180. 46 again. Let's catch the bounce, baby. Oh, let Tesla fall down. I want that thing back under 6. I need some cheap shares. Ben, it's all my fault. This is all my fault. There's that bounce, 46. GameStop is even bouncing. See Clover. Again, I'm not gonna be too fooled by these bounces because we saw the same thing yesterday. These bounces got ate up towards midday. Even the last end of day bounce we had here at 51, I thought we were coming back. I'm like, this is gonna come back. And then out of nowhere, we closed back near the lows and after hours. So if that pressure is here today, be careful with these bounces too. Especially if you're day trading it. There's Robert. Robert, I've been worried about you. Their stupidity will cost them. Exactly. It's not necessarily so much about what happened with this stock. It's are you going to be in the markets? And if there is another stock, what if it doesn't do what AMC did? What if it doesn't? You put everything in thinking it's going to be another AMC and it's not. You're going to get wrecked big time. Let's buy some shares of AMC here. This is just looking stupidly oversold at this point. I don't know what is going on. GameStop just hit 188 on this pretty ugly candle. Just looking off technicals. Let's buy some more shares. I hate how every time I open this right tab up, it starts to glitch and kind of get slow. I guess this monitor or whatever PC can't keep up with this. See, when I take it off, it's like a little quicker. Open it back, it's a little slower. Check Discord. Oh, okay. I understand that. $45.10 support. So it looks like 45 might be that half dollar psychological support level we might bounce off of If we're gonna see a bounce in the next couple days, I mean, hopefully we're looking back at $48, maybe $50. But as of now, it's still kind of we're in free fall mode. I don't really know where this is gonna hold just yet. Cause look at this, guys. There really isn't any support level here. And this stock is probably gonna get reshorted hard, just like it did. What was it, June 9? It was, yeah, right around this first initial drop we had to 39. You guys remember this? This drop? The short interest actually went, I think, to 20%. So this is the same case scenario. They just might be adding fuel to the fire. Can we see a 47 bounce? Wait, Trump is suing Facebook? Where did I see that? Trump to sue Facebook Zuckerberg and Twitter's Dorsey. So Jack Dorsey's getting sued and Mark Zuckerberg. What are we in at? 45 average? A 42 bounce? Here we're just looking for like a 47, 48 move. If we can possibly see back to market open levels, that'd be amazing. Yeah, he's suing. He's suing. Let's take a look at the stocks. Facebook stock just dropped out of nowhere. I wonder why. It's still dropping. Twitter too? Yep. And we get the news before Think or Swim does. Shout out to Twitter. The people who share the Bloomberg terminal on Twitter. They're clutch. It's not even on here. Nasdaq pulling back. SPY is still green, man. There's AMC's 46 test. Lovely, lovely. I should have bought more shares. So EMA on the 5 minutes at 47. We're like 70 cents away. Let's go, let's go, let's go. GameStop 189. Tesla 653. Look at that ugly dump here at market open. Did you guys hear about this, Nancy Pelosi? I think she bought Nvidia calls. I saw it yesterday. She had bought Roblox a couple months ago. Now she's swooping up the Nvidia calls. Is Nvidia still going up? No, it's finally pulling back. Just look at this on the daily and tell me this isn't insane. Headed into the reverse 4-to-1 split. That is nutty. All right, some EMA rejection here, which is not the end of the world. Let's hold support at 46 now. But we can't hold 46. Let's hold 45.50. Discord, why? Oh wow, the 10-year is still dropping. Jeez, how lower can we go on this? $1.31. New low on GameStop 187. AMC's going to 42 Friday. It's kind of hard to call, man. 187. Not too surprised. All right, AMC, hold here, hold here. Hold that 46. Morning, John. Above 46 again. So it looks like we're holding 46 here. Now the key is to just continue to rip up. We can't afford to come down and just dangle near the lows again because I'm pretty sure it's going to lead to a new low. Let's go, let's go. There we go. Don't come down, baby. Don't come down. 46. Coloring each other. I got to get to long-term stock, and you can see support has turned into resistance at 50. That's exactly what we mentioned. We mentioned that when it went under 50, that you don't necessarily want to trade in under 50 for too long, because then that 50 can easily just turn around and become resistance. So that might be the case, but you don't want to see that, and that's exactly what we're seeing right here when it's at 45. So we still need to creep up to like 48, 49, and see if 50 is resistance. After that, head back to 60. But as for support levels being at 42, nobody really knows where this stock is going to hold support. We saw 47 twice. Now we're lower than that. So let's wait and see. Puts for Friday. I haven't taken a look at the options chain. There we go. Still above 46. Let's see another rip. Let's test that EMA at 47 AMC. What is this, like the third red day for AMC, guys? We need a green day. GameStop 186.98. It's still holding at 46, guys. It hasn't really came down aggressively yet. Hold, baby, hold. We need a 100K green day. We're gonna end it here, guys, because I have to register for my classes for fall in 8 minutes. So I still need to set everything up. I always get last dibs on professors. I'm always like the last guy there, just trying to get in classes that are already full. I have to go on wait lists, and I don't like that. But we'll see where AMC takes us. It's still early in the market. We haven't even been 30 minutes into the market open, and we're still holding 46. So hopefully the bleeding stops here and we hold support levels. But as of now, GameStop is still pulling back. So we'll see where this takes us. So with that being said, I know you guys don't like that. I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream. Peace out.